Hi. Today we can find LCM by prime factorization method. There are two other methods also there, factor tree method and combination method. And next class we can study factor tree method and combination method. Today we can study prime factorization. We already studied how we can find LCM by common multiple method, and we understood that is difficult for the large number. It is very difficult method. Today we can study prime factorization. For that we need to know what is factors, what is prime number. So we can study initially factors. So what is factors? A number that divides and the number evenly with no remainder. That is which are the numbers that can be divided the given number completely with no remainder. They are the factors. That is 2. So for example 2 into 4 equal to 8. That is we get the product 8 with the factors 2 and 4. That is 2 and 4 are the factors. That is we can divide the 8 completely by 2 with no remainder. We can divide the 8 by 4 completely. It is 2, 4 are the factors. So one question, and find the factors of 6. Then how we find? So 1 is 6 equal to 1 into 6 equal to 6, 2 into 3 equal to 6. So 1, 6, 2, 3 are the factors. Okay. Then we can find the 8 factors of 8. Okay, 1 into 8 equal to 8, 2 into 4 equal to 8. So what are the factors? 1, 8, 2, 4 are the factors. Okay. So how we can find the common factors? It is common in the 6 and the 8. Factors of in the 6 and 8. That is factors. So for which are the common factors? That is 1 and common is here 2 and 2 and 2. So 1, 2. They are the common factors of 6 and 8. Okay. So we studied now what is factors. Then we can study about what is prime numbers. So what is prime number? So many of you know, and we can revise again. Okay, a number having exactly two different factors, namely 1 and a number itself, is called prime number. That is, factors should be 1 and the number, the given number itself. So take the example of 2. Okay, the factors is 1 and 2. Take the factors of 3. That is we get the given number 3 by the factors 1 and 3 only. 5 also like that, 7 also like that, 11 also like that, 13 also like that. But when we consider the even numbers, we know that there are more than the two factors. That is 1 and number itself, and we get the more than that numbers. So even numbers, it is that is the even numbers will not be prime number. But when we consider 2 is an even number. The fact is only 1 and 2. So 2 is the exceptional case in the even number. So 2 is the only even number which is prime. Okay, then we now studied prime numbers and what is factors. Then we can move on the prime factorization method. Okay, how we can find the prime factorization of 12? So 12, how we can divide 12? So draw like this 12. Then use the prime numbers. Prime number, that is prime factorization is done by the prime factors. That is, factors should be prime numbers. So first take the number 2. Okay, prime number 2. How we can we divide? Yes, we can divide completely 12 by 2. 6. So write 6. Then can we divide 6 completely with again the prime number 2? Okay, right, we can get. So again write 2. Then we get the 3 number. Then how we can divide 3? We can divide 3 by 2. So type the number prime number 3. So 3 can be divided 3 by completely. Okay, so we can write the prime factorization, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 is the given number 12. So okay, 4 into 3 equal 12. So 12, the prime factorization is 12. So with the prime factorization by prime factors, we can make the 12 by prime 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is about the prime factorization. So you studied now prime factorization. Okay, thank you. Do the problem of prime factorization of the 24. So 24, first you write 24 like this here, then type the number 2. Okay, well, when we write the number 2, what will you get? 12. Yes, 24 can be divided completely by 2, so 12 you write. Then again take the number prime number, it can be divided. Yes, then we'll get 6. Then again write down the two prime number. Yes, the 6 can divide 2 completely by 2. Then again then we cannot divide the 3 by 2 completely. So take the prime number 3. Okay, then we can get the number 1. So prime factorization of 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and already we got 12. The prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3. So then find the LCM of 24 and 12. That is the question. So how we can find? So after for that we have to do the prime factorization of 24 already done, and prime factorization of 12 we already done. Then how we can find the LCM from the prime factorization? That is look on the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2 and 3 is the in 24 and 12, and how many times the prime number maximum in the 24 and 12? That is we have to write how much times the 2 comes in 24 and 12. That is maximum times how much here? 2 times. Okay, in 24 how much times 2 come? That is 3 times. So maximum number 2 comes is 3. So that you have to write. So maximum numbers 2 is 3. So we have to write this much. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2. Okay, this much you write down. Then again take the next number that is used in the 24 and 12 for the prime factorization. That is 3. So 3 how much times comes in 12? 1 time. And 3 how much times come in 24? 1 time. So maximum times 3 comes in each 24 and 12. That is 1 time. Okay. So 3 1 time. So that is we have to write for finding the LCM. That is how much times and the prime numbers, prime factors came in each 12 and 24. Maximum times how much? That you have to write. So 2 is 3 times. So we write 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 how much times maximum? That is 1 time. That is we have to write. Then again then multiply. Then we will get how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 4 into 2 is 18. 8 into 3 equal to 24. So 24 is the LCM of 24 and 12. So in this way we can find the prime factorization. Okay. So you now studied the prime factorization method of to find LCM. Thank you.